Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Panasonic GH5, and I'm gonna show you how to enable this device. So first, of course, you need to check do you have the battery in the camera. So to do that, firstly you need to open the battery tray and insert the battery. Of course, your battery needs to be charged. You can't charge the battery using USB Type-C cable or HDMI cable. Of course, you can charge it only using dedicated charger for Panasonic batteries. Okay, cool. So insert the battery, press until you will hear click, and cool, now you can close it again, and then just switch from off to on. As you can see, on lamp is lighting, and now now camera is enabled. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.